Welcome to this video where I'll show you how to get the day, month and year from a date in Excel. In our example, we have a bunch of dates and want to deconstruct them into their components without having to do this manually. To do this, we'll use the day, month and year functions, which, as their names suggest, retrieve the day, month and year for a given date in Excel. To retrieve the day from the first date, we can type equals day followed by the cell containing the date, and then click enter. This retrieves 26, which is indeed the correct day. To find the month, we type equals month, and then select the cell which contains the date, and this gives 2 since the month is February. Finally, to retrieve the year, we type equals year, then select the date, click enter, and this gives 2021, which is indeed the year. Now, to retrieve the day, month and year for the dates below, we can select these 3 cells and then double click the bottom right hand corner, which toggles the formulae down. Therefore, Excel has returned the day, month and year for all of the dates in our table. Note that even though the dates are not all formatted the exact same way, Excel has been able to recognize the dates regardless of the format that has been applied. So that's how you can get the day, month and year from a date in Excel. If you're curious about how to join these day, month and year cells together to give different date formats, then check out the video linked in the description below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques and examples.